Hi, boys and girls. It's Ms. Decker. We are going to practice reading a sight word book that is a little bit more challenging than some of the sight word books that we've read so far. There's a lot more words and some of them are tricky. So we're really going to have to use what we've learned about sight words as well as our eagle eye and lips to fish and chunky monkey and some of those other strategies. In this book today, it's called Long Ago and Today. We're going to be comparing what life was like a long time ago when this boy's grandmother was a young child, and here she is imagining some of the things that she used to do. And she's going to be comparing it with the way that this boy lives now, what life was like long ago and today. This book is written by B. Silverberg and Nehemiah Stark, illustrated by Dominic Catalano. Okay, so let's look at the title page. We have, Long Ago and Today. And here she's pulling out her photo album and getting ready to show him some pictures. Great Grandma, what was it like long ago? What was it like when you were young like me? Do you see the word were in there? When you were young like me. Good. Great Grandma, did you watch TV long ago? Did you watch TV when you were young like me? No, dear Adam, we did not have TV. I listened to the radio when I was young like you. And here she is. That's what a radio used to look like. Use your eagle eye to learn some new words. Great Grandma, did you fly in an aeroplane long ago? Some places they call it an aeroplane. We call it airplane, but that says aeroplane. Did you fly in an aeroplane when you were young like me? No, dear Adam, we did not fly in aeroplanes. I rode on a train when I was young like you. Here she's making the sounds choo-choo. And she has her thinking bubble. She's imagining and remembering what it was like to ride on a train when she was young. Great Grandma, did you play video games long ago? Did you play video games when you were young like me? No, dear Adam, we did not have video games. I played board games when I was young like you. And here she is. Do you know what board game she's playing? You might have played this at your own home. Checkers. She's playing checkers. Yeah, we still play board games now, but we also have video games. We have the choice of playing our tablets and apps on our phones. Great Grandma, did you have plastic toys long ago? Did you have plastic toys when you were young like me? No, dear Adam, we did not have plastic toys. I played with wooden toys when I was young like you. Well, they're both building, but he was building with big plastic blocks and she is building with wood sticks. Looks like she's making a little cabin. Great Grandma, were you happy when you were young like me? Yes, Adam, I was happy when I was young like you. I had a grandma who loved me, just like I love you. Aw, and there she is with her grandma. She's remembering. That's a really nice story. I'm going to challenge you to go back to the beginning of the story and maybe turn off the sound or push pause and practice reading some of these words here using your eagle eye or sounding out words. Or you could even go back and practice looking for some of the sight words that we've learned, like this word right here, were, W-E-R-E. Okay, happy reading, boys and girls. Hope you enjoyed the story.